And welcome to YOUCANIC. Here we're gonna go over a few things you need to do when you take a car through a car wash that you get pushed or the car is being pulled through. So the first thing you need to do is you want to make sure that you turn off the wipers. Over here, just turn the wiper switch, turn that off. If your wipers are on, turn that off. The second thing is you need to put the transmission in neutral. You can see there's neutral right there. If you have the brakes pressed, let's say you are in drive, you move this up, it'll go to neutral. Or if you're up in reverse, you can push it down and it'll go to neutral. If you're in park, you want to first put it in drive by pushing it down and then move it up one click, it'll go to neutral. So the other thing you want to do is right here you have the parking sensors. Otherwise the car is going to beep the whole time you're going through the car wash, but your car might be right here in the center console right there. Depends on the model, but look either up there on the dash here to turn off the parking sensor. The symbol is going to be the same. It's this one right here. That's all. Thanks for watching.